Hi, my name is Sandy Jimenez, and I work at New Visions for Public Schools. This video focuses on how to use the New Visions Career Directory in order to find training programs that work for you. First, let me tell you about the New Visions Career Directory. The directory is a free online resource designed to help you explore free or inexpensive career training programs. You can also find tons of resources that will help you in your future planning. Let's take a look. In the career directory, each of these cards represents a different program. As you can see, there are over 250 programs in the directory. That's way too many for you to research. You can use the filters to make the list more manageable. Remember, you don't have to use all of the filters. Focus on the things that are important to you. I'm going to start by indicating that I'd like a free program by deselecting these other two filters. I'm also going to select the sector I'm interested in. I'm going to select building trades and construction and engineering. I live in Queens, so I'm going to put Queens as a location and maybe also Brooklyn because I'm willing to travel there. And I prefer an in-person program, so I'm going to deselect virtual and hybrid. Most of you are probably 17, so let's put 17 as the age. And I'd like a program that's about 6 months long, which is about half a year or 26 weeks. So the other thing I want to show you is this filter that says other criteria. You definitely should review this. There are some special filters here. For example, there's this one right here that says only for students with disabilities. If you clicked on this one, it would show you programs that are only for students with disabilities. This one would show you programs that are only for women, transgender, and gender expansive learners. So certainly the first time at least that you use the career directory, take a look and see if there are any filters here that apply to any of your identities or the needs that you have or whatever's important to you. Right now, I'm just going to leave it at any. Ooh, all right, we've got 4 programs. This is a great start. If you want more or fewer programs, you can always adjust your filters to have more or fewer programs. What's your next step? Your next step is to click on each of the programs and learn more about them. So let's click on OSHA 30 Construction at Brooklyn EOC. Once you click on a program, it'll take you to a separate tab where you can learn more about the program. And it's got tons of really good information about this program. But guess what? You won't see all the information you need, right? So another next step for you to do is to do some research about the program. By visiting their webpage, you can click Learn More here or here even to learn more about the program. You can see information about it. You can see contact information for the program. You can even potentially see dates for open houses and things like that. You can give them a call maybe if you wanted to go visit, all of that kind of thing. It's really your job and your responsibility to learn a lot more so you can decide if it's a good program for you. Another thing you can do on this page, other than learn all this great information about the program, is see where it's located. That's one thing. You can also find other similar programs, and you can look at this next step section. There are a couple of resources here that can be really helpful to you. You have a checklist here of next steps. You also have here questions that you can ask a program. My favorite sheet that I'm going to point you to is the Career Training Program Comparison Tracker. You can click on here and take notes about 3 programs as you're learning about them. It's giving you some questions to look up. Some of them are going to be answered in the career directory, but some of them are going to be answered with your phone calls, your research on the website for the program. And then you can look at the information and compare it across the columns and decide what program that you want to move ahead with. I'm so excited for you. There's so much good stuff that's going to happen in your future Congratulations on taking these next steps and keep moving forward.